Welcome to another tutorial from Prime TV. In this one, I will be talking about PrimeFlex and how to create your own classes with it using the built-in CSS classes. So first thing first, we need to add PrimeFlex. I have added before, version 3.0.1, and notes as well. By the way, this is a great React app since it's able to build and parse CSS, but you can use any other environment like Angular CLI, Vue CLI, any custom configuration that is able to build and compile SAS. Okay, this is, let's check if it's running. It's running. Okay, let's add some padding first from PrimeFlex, which will not work, right? Because I have to import PrimeFlex. Okay, now let's add a button, my button. Now that's the browser button. I also need to add a theme like Saga Blue. Remember that if you're using UI library from PrimeTech like PrimeNG, React, Vue, and Faces, you don't need to add the theme file there because the CSS variables that are provided by the theme are also provided by the Prime library. So this is only required if you are using PrimeFlex standalone. Okay. Themes. Now let's create our button class name. Border none. Background. Okay. Let's add a round. So this is for removing the border. This is to add a background color. This is for foreground color. Padding 1 rem. Border round. Rounded borders come from the theme. Let's add hover background blue 700. Transition colors and transition duration. Okay. And let's say active hover is 700, active can be 900. So when you press it, I think it's a pretty nice button. So the thing is, I mean, the thing with utility libraries that this becomes kind of, cumbersome. You have to repeat it. And what if you would like to change your buttons to something else? So what we can do is that we can reuse it. First, we need to import PrimeFlex utils and take this part, and create it like this. What it include apply. No mixing. So probably I got the name wrong. So let's check out the great documentation of PrimeFlex. It is style class. Sorry, it was extent before we released. So now I can just remove it. It's back to the way it is, and now let's use my button. And so this one refers to that. So for example, if we increase the paddings, and that's it. Now you can also create another button here, my button. And that's it. Now, using the built-in style class feature, you're able to easily reuse your custom classes, and that will shorten the amount of code in the HTML. Thank you. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So I'll be continuing about the more stuff from PrimeFlex. Thank you.